Welcome to William Stewart's Gemstones and Fishing Adventures. I decided today to feed the trout. There's a lot of them. Still, it's been hot, but there's still a few. Anyways, enjoy the video. Hope you like watching the meat. I'm feeding them seed plastic bread. They sell it at Aldi's. Organic. And it's dark brown whole grain bread. And they like the soft part. The bird wanted a piece of bread, so I ended up throwing him a piece, but he missed it, so I threw him a piece over by the picnic table. He's a good little baby. He always comes and says hi to me.
Good birdie.
It's a friendly red-winged blackbird. Yeah, so back to the trout. watching. Have a nice day. Hope you enjoyed watching